Okay, let's begin. So let's begin by opening Excel, and let's go ahead and use the first three columns, column A, B, and C. So we will adjust the columns to fit our text. So in column A, we're going to put in description. Column B will be used for labels or arguments. And column C will be used for entering the values. Okay, so let's start with the periodic interest rate. So in this example, we are going to use a rate of 5%. That's per annum. So we will have to enter the periodic interest rate per month since we are dealing with a monthly investment. Monthly number of periods are 12. So let's also go and format the cell as a percentage, and for increased precision, we are going to use a 4 decimal points. So let's divide 5 by 12 months to figure out the monthly rate. So we get a monthly interest rate of 0.41667. So we go for the full precision. That way our computation will be more precise. So next we put in the number of periods. In this case it's 12 since we are dealing with the monthly investment. So NPER will be 36, and as you can see this won't work because we want this cell to be a number. So let's go ahead and change the formatting of this cell by going to format cells, and we'll change it to number, and let's use 2 decimal places for precision, and let's also use the thousand separator. So in this case, let's input 36 as the number of months. And next, the periodic payment. So it means we're going to contribute monthly $300. So you have to enter this as a minus number for the argument for this function. So minus 300. And this is where we would compute the future value of this investment over a 3-year period. And so we would use the built-in Excel function FV, which is future value. So let's go to so let's do one more thing. Let's format the cell so that it will show the top and bottom borders, and this way it looks nice in the formatting. So let's go and put in the function insert formula and financial, since we're looking for so Excel has many financial formulas. We're going to use the one that's for future value, which is FV, and Excel would prompt us with the required arguments. And in this case there are 5 arguments or parameters, but the most important ones are the first 3. The others are optional and we can take default. So rate, let's show Excel the rate by pointing at the cell. So you go rate the NPR and periodic payments, and Excel does all the computing in the back end and gives us the result. And let's go ahead and make it bold, and there you go. That's the future value of this investment, and we can go and make it a little more fancy by formatting and filling in the labels with color. Let's fill it with a blue. Fine. So there you go.